Hello guys, nandito kami sa park. Okay. So mag-stop by lang kami sa sa mother-in-law ko. Halika dito lang ka. Tapos oh look. There are fairies over there. Ay nako. So, ito yung park dito guys. So, stop by lang kami para makapaglaro naman si Rachel. Hello guys! Yes, today is the day. Right now, it's a 4:10. Ayan, nandito kami sa sa neighborhood ng aking mother-in-law. Ito yung park nila dito guys. We just stop by quickly bago kami dumiretso sa bahay nila para makapaglaro si Rachel kasi it's going to be a long flight for us. So we will from here sa San Jose papuntang LAX. I don't know how long would be the layover guys kasi yung husband ko talaga, he's the one who takes care of the business. So ako go lang ako ng go. Yeah, so dito muna tayo saglit guys. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko since kagabi. Ayan, nandito kami sa sa mother-in-law ko kagabi. Inorganize ko na yung mga suitcase. Ayan, hi daddy, say hi daddy. Say hi. Are you excited?
Nope.
Yeah. You're not? I thought you're done in here.
I am done here.
Oh,
And then they want to communicate with you.
yeah, because they like you.
Yeah, they want to communicate, but they can't because they only speak Spanish.
Her daddy, ha? I'll just let her go. So anyway guys, yeah, nandito kami kagabi. Inorganize ko na yung suitcase namin. Yan, we left at like 12 AM kagabi guys. Grabe, tapos masakit na yung ulo ko kasi you know, the word vacation is such a beautiful word, right daddy? But it comes with the word stress. Right? So I had to make sure na hindi susobra or lalampas sa weight limit yung aming suitcase because when we fly over here we had to pay, I'm not bragging, we had to pay a lot of money but we needed those stuff mang good. So now we can get rid of some of the stuff, kaya yun. So, sobrang sakit ng ulo ko guys. Uminom ako ng ng Alka-Seltzer kagabi sa hotel. Yan, pero medyo masakit pa rin yung ulo ko. Ang baba talaga ng resistensya ko kasi I think because of the also late night sleep. So, yun. I like this over here. Mga mga langga. Look at the mountain, you see. Nandun kami sa city kanina kasi we still had to take care of some business. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. But anyway, yeah, hindi na ako nakapag-film kasi I just tried to rest while I was in the car. Yan. So, ganito talaga yung haggard face. Hi! Daddy!
Wait, I think that one's this
Where?
one. It's just in the
Where you put this equipment, this thing.
But it just
You put it on
It
there.
just get broken.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's one of those things that just set one end and the other end.
Yeah, so yeah, ganito yung itsura ng haggard face guys. Tapos alam mo, buti na lang meron pang natira na
I'm
isang
fine with that, right? I don't like that outfit.
okay, here. Oh. So anyway, buti na lang talaga
Wait,
no,
can you
may
actually sit here?
okay, thank you.
I'm sitting
Mm-mm. That's,
Dangerous spot.
yeah.
But it's not even that
Ako man
fast.
ang driver.
It's not even that fast.
Okay. Nagasakit pa rin akong ulo. Ako pa ang nag-drive.
That's why you shouldn't have said
So
it.
just enjoy.
It's not even that fast,
I'm
Mommy.
the one pushing it. Bebe. So, balik tayo sa usapan. Mabuti na lang talaga kasi may nakita akong Alka-Seltzer doon sa ano ng asawa ko sa Ziploc. Kasi nilagay ko yung mga Alka-Seltzer sa sa suitcase.
Okay, let's
I know.
stop.
Oh my
Stop,
gosh.
stop.
Papa. So, kukunin namin. I'm gonna take the Alka-Seltzer out sa suitcase. Tapos, i-organize ko yung final organization na talaga ng ating suitcases. And then, magbibihis lang kami. I don't know. Kasi pag alis namin sa hotel, guys,
The owl. The owl.
naligo. Nag-shower na naman kami sa hotel. Tapos, yun. Pero, umalis kasi kami doon mga 12. So, right now it's 4. And we might not be leaving until 7. Ayoko namang bumaho kasi ang, di ba, long trip. But anyway, let's see what's going to happen. Yeah. So let's find out what this is. Maganda ito na park o malaki. I really don't know how Rachel will adjust to to our life in the Philippines, especially sa mga park talaga kasi palagi namin siyang dinadala. Oh, yeah, for dogs.
That's
Another.
for dogs.
Mhm.
This is for people.
Palagi namin siyang dinadala sa park nung nasa ano pa kami, nasa US pa kami. Yeah. I really appreciate our stay in Limon, guys, kasi it really prepared
There's a mug
us.
here.
Let me see. I think. Ano po sa'yo?
Okay, let's go.
Kasi it
Oh,
really
Daddy's
prepared us.
coming. What? So you're not coming over here when I want to go to the
He
other
just wants
side?
to. Okay. Let's go. We prepared us for our life in the Philippines. Kasi medyo matagal kami sa US, of course, di ba? Ang asawa ko doon na talaga, of course. Ako, parang and si Rachel. We are used to a comfortable life compared to, so, yeah. Doon banda ang nakatira ang mother-in-law ko. Yan. Anong part yan ni Ut? Part of San Jose is this, Daddy? San Francisco. Oh yeah, San Francisco din. Los Angeles. So yeah, we're excited. Laro muna bago ang aming flight.